Welcome to SINTRA, day 86-87. Did you know that Bilderberg meeting was occurred in SINTRA once? If you don't know what Bilderberg meeting is, then let me explain. This is where world's most powerful people gather together to decide world's future. Although it's a myth, nothing has been proved. But I loved listening to the conspiracy theories. Sintra is one of the most famous places in Portugal and in the world, which is not far from Lisbon. Lisbon was where we are visiting from, the beautiful Portugal's paradise, Lagos. We took a stop at the Dunes where we had our lunch. I learned later that Sintra is one of the most richest places in Portugal as well. If you are wondering why Sintra is so famous, Sintra is famed for its picturesque and for its numerous historical places, gardens, unique castles. Definitely they are all colorful. Hey guys. And also, we hopefully not going to be lost, huh?
It's a labyrinth.
What does it mean?
That means that we can be lost.
Okay, let's go back, huh? What do you say? These are located at the highest part of Sintra, peeking through the protected green reserve forest. And let me save you some time by not writing about Sintra's history, because honestly, there are thousands of them available in internet. Instead, why not just take a look at some beautiful photos of Sintra in black and white? Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in the capital, Lisbon.